Good morning. Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. We're down here in Charlotte, North Carolina to start a full sand. It's, what's today? Wednesday morning. We'll be down here for about 10 days. It's beautiful development in Charlotte, North Carolina. We got a full sand going on the installation of the whole upstairs, 2 flights of steps. And we're gonna be going back with Loba Provincial. So it's gonna be a great episode. I wanna take you guys inside. I'll show you what we're up against. We're doing this whole flight of steps here. Then it has a flight of back steps over here going down. All new shoe molding. This back flight is pine and everything else is oak here, red oak. Jason's pulling the shoe molding. We're going back with all matching stained shoe molding. We'll be doing this beautiful sunroom, kitchen, living room. Got some construction going on. They're taking down all the railings in the catwalk and making sheetrock walls. We're doing this little half bath. Office, not there, that's ceramic tile. And then the whole formal dining room. And then the whole upstairs, including these stairs through all the spindles. This is Carlos. He's the man, he's doing all the construction work. So we'll be taking all this carpet up and installing brand new 2 1/4 red oak to match the rest of the house. This bedroom, this catwalk, this bedroom, we're getting rid of all the spindles on both sides, making half walls. This bedroom, and the primary bedroom with closets. And we got young Jay back here pulling the carpet today. And the closets, we're all getting done. This side, his and her closets. They're getting the hardwood, but not the bathroom. So stick around, I'll come back and show you the progress, and I'll come back and show you the final results, like always. It's gonna be a great episode. Alrighty guys, we're on day 4. Everything is rough cut, up in sequence, moving up in sequence. Steps still have some scraping and they need the most detail today. And now the whole upstairs is installed. And we are gonna start installing up here. Oh, excuse me. We're gonna start sanding up here today. But everything down here is up to 80 grit. From here over is all 80 grit. And from here is only 40. So we got 60, 80, 100 to go here. Most of the corners are pulled. We still got to catch up on that. So we'll take care of that today as well. It's only been big machine on this side. We're gonna start power driving down here while RJ goes upstairs with the big machine. Alrighty, stick around. We're gonna be staining tomorrow for sure. All right, we're getting this shoe molding stained. We're getting everything prepared for stain day tomorrow. Stain day, first 2 coats. Alrighty, we are water popping, getting ready for stain tomorrow. Uncle Tony here. What's our favorite day? Guess what day it is? It's stain day. We are about to start staining. As you can see, Johnny's starting the stairs here. Our client chose Provincial. So there goes the first application. First step getting stained. We're gonna be staining everything today. Upstairs and downstairs. It's gonna be a great day. We're excited for stain day. And we are going with Loba Provincial. Look at those stairs, beautiful. That provincial is a nice color. Our client's gonna be painting the railings black. The spindle's gonna be touched up white. This is gonna look fantastic when it's all done. Alrighty guys, we are putting down the final coat. Look how good this looks. Let me show you over here where we did the rooms already. It's drying, so it looks a little tacky, a little spotty, but this is a matte finish they went with. Look at that. Fantastic. I'll come back and show you the final results when it's dry, so stick around. Alrighty guys, here is the final results. Can I get an OMG in the comments? Look at this. Beautiful. These are pine stairs, so they look different, of course, because they're different species. But let me show you how good these oak treads came out. We were here for, I think, about 9 to 10 days. It's a very big job. I'm very happy with the results. My client's gonna love it. Beautiful. Did the closets back here in the bathroom. Once again, as always, thanks for watching.